In this training, we're going to learn how to troubleshoot an agent by looking at 4 different agents, each with their own error. The following issues will be resolved. First, there are several known possible locations for data on a page. Second, there are multiple unknown possible locations for data on a page. Third, a piece of data is absent from the page. And finally, logic is required to skip a page. Choose an icon to skip forward to any of these segments, or continue watching to view the entire video. When I open my list of agents, I see that a few of them have paused because of an error. Errors happen because an agent is unable to collect the data it is designed to collect. By clicking on the agent, I can view the agent dashboard. To learn more about the error, I'll go to the Jobs tab. When I click on the errored job, I can see more information about the error. The error message tells me that an item could not be found on the page. If I hover over the information icon, I can see which data could not be found. In this case, price. When I click on Fix Agent, the agent is opened in the Agent Builder on my desktop and automatically navigated to the point within the agent where the error occurred. The agent was unable to find the price associated with one of the products in the list. I can see the price on the page, but it's in a slightly different location. This product's price appears on the second line, and the errored item's price appears on the first line. This is why it could not be found by the builder. I'm given several options to fix this issue. The first asks me to make the action optional, in case the price is absent from any products in the list. Because every product has an associated price, I won't choose this option. The second option suggests that I change where this action looks for the target data, or the price. If I click on this, I can reassign the current location or add an alternate location. Because the price is sometimes in the original expected location and sometimes in this new location, I'll choose Add an alternate location. Once I choose this option, instructions appear in the Build panel, along with some helpful information. I am instructed to click on the alternate location where the price appears, so I'll click on the price next to the product highlighted in red. The price now appears on the captured text preview window. After testing the agent to confirm my fix works across all pages, I'll save the agent to the web console by clicking on File and choosing Save. Now, I can go to the web console and resume the agent by clicking on Resume. This starts the agent where it left off. Let's check out the errored agent in the agents list. In the dashboard, I can view details about the error by hovering over the information icon. I see that the action Capture Title is not found. When I open the agent, I can see the same fix options I did before. I can see the title data present on the web page, but it's in a different location from where it was when I built the agent. This tells me that this field will not always be in the same place. I don't know all the possible locations that this data might appear, and I don't have time to do that research. Luckily, the data is accompanied with a label. So, I'm going to tie its location to the title label, where it appears on the page. I'll choose Reassign the location that this action checks for the data. Once it's reassigned, I'll right-click on the action, hover over Location, and choose Associate Nearby Text. Instructions appear in the Build panel, and they direct me to click on the text that should be associated with the title data. So I'll click on the field label. I can see a highlight showing that the agent successfully finds the title label and its associated data, so I'll save my changes and resume the agent. Let's go back to the web console and look at a third errored agent. When I click Fix Agent, the builder opens the agent to the page where the error occurred. The action in this error is the Capture Status action, which captured an image from one of the columns in a table. I can see that an image is not always present in this column, which means that failure to capture this data does not indicate an error, but simply the absence of the data. In this case, I'll make this action optional and save then resume the agent. Finally, let's look at the fourth errored agent. The builder tells me that the capture list subcategory could not be found. Let's learn a little about how the agent works. On the home page of this website, the agent collects the list of categories into which the products are organized. On the subsequent landing page, there is usually a list of subcategories that must be clicked before an actual product list is displayed. Apparently, the category list 2016 and 2015 ornaments, on which the agent has landed, has no list of subcategories, and the product list is displayed directly for this category. This means that when the agent does not encounter a list of subcategories, it may skip that step and perform the actions on the product list page. To do this, I'll choose "This is the wrong page" from the error dialog. In the build panel, options appear. I'll choose "Existing page," and from the drop-down, I'll select Page 3. Now, when the agent reaches page 2 and begins searching for a list of subcategories, if it finds none, it will assume it's on the list of products and begin performing the actions from page 3. Let's test it. I'm satisfied that the agent performs properly, so I'll save and resume the agent. In this video, we learned how to fix an agent's error by assigning an alternate location to the data, associating the data with nearby text, setting the capture action as optional in case the data is absent, and instructing the agent to move to a different page of actions when certain objects are absent. If you'd like more information about these and other handy topics, click here to visit the Mozenda Help Center.